Adarsh Vidyalaya Maths online class. Today we are going to discuss 10th Maths 6th chapter Trigonometry. In this chapter, now we are going to discuss exercise 6.5. This exercise is 1 mark. Already we completed 9 1 marks. Now we see 10th 1 mark. If the ratio of the height of a tower and the length of its shadow is √3:1, then the angle of elevation of the sun has measured. A option 45 degree, B option 30 degree, C option 90 degree, D option 60 degree. This model angle of elevation, the angle of depression method. So already completed the exercise problems. The same method apply means we get the answer. So first one, this method means first step, draw a diagram and write the given and using the ratio. So same method, draw a diagram. So first one, tower shadow. AB is a tower. This tower shadow BC. Here make a theta angle. So here AB is to BC. Given √3:1. So ratio means we multiply by some variable. So AB equal to √3x, BC equal to 1x. So which triangle? This only one triangle is there. So triangle ABC, theta is opposite this one adjacent. So tan theta is equal to AB by BC. So tan theta is equal to AB answer √3x by x. X cancel √3. So in tan theta, √3 value is 60 degree. So how much angle measures? Angle of elevation of the sun has measured. Angle is 60 degree. So D option 60 degree. That is the answer. Clear? Next 11th one. The electric pole subtends an angle of 30 degree at a point on the same level as its foot at a second point B meters above the first. The depression of the foot of the pole is 60 degree. The height of the pole in meters, the unit is here meters, is equal to. So first draw the diagram. This is the electric pole. So electric pole, this one here ground. The electric pole subtends an angle of 30 degree at a point on the same level as its foot. So here 30 degree. The foot place is make a 30 degree angle at a second point. This is the first point. This one second point. Second point how we make it? Above B meter. The first point level to above B meter. The first point. The depression of the foot of the pole is from the second point to depression of the electric pole is, that is foot of the electric pole is 60 degree. The depression of the foot of the electric pole is 60 degree. The height of the pole in meters. So you want to find the height of the electric pole. So first draw a diagram and explain this. See, BC is a electric pole and here make it is a rectangle. So AD equal to EB or BE. So that is B meter and DE equal to AB. These two values are equal. And select the triangle. Here which triangle is suitable? First you take it. First triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. This triangle you choose first. Here theta is 60 degree. This one theta means this one opposite side, this one adjacent. So tan theta. Tan theta is equal to AD by AB. Clear? So we select right angle triangle ABD. Tan theta apply mean AD by AB. Tan 60 degree is equal to AD answer B by AB. Tan 60 degree table value √3. Cross multiply means √3 into AB equal to B. So AB equal to B by √3. So that is AB answer. Next you select triangle ABC. Right angle triangle ABC. So here 30 degrees theta means this one opposite side, this one adjacent. So we need electric pole height. So opposite by adjacent means tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite BC by adjacent AB. So tan theta here 30 degree. So 30 degree is equal to BC by AB. Both two values don't know. So apply tan 30 degree, answer table value 1 by root 3 is equal to BC by AB. So AB answer cross multiply means BC root 3. So already AB here found one answer here. So both AB answer substitute means B by root 3 equal to BC by root 3. B by root 3, this root 3 here come down. So root 3 into root 3, 3. So BC, height of the pole, electric pole only want to find. So BC equal to P by 3. Which option is P by 3? B option. Clear? So you write the option and answer correct. Next we see 12th sum. Now see 12th one. A tower is 60 meter high. Its shadow is x meter shorter when the sun's altitude is 45 degree. Then when it has been 30 degree, then x is equal to. So this is a question of sun. Here this one altitude is 45 degree. After that the 30 degree. So from 30 degree to 45 degree is x meter. Clear? So the tower, this one is tower, that is 60 meter tower. This 60 meter tower shadow 45 degree. So sun, here from the sun to this shadow, this tower shadow is 45 degree. Clear? After that from this place altitude is 30 degree. So what is the distance of this? That is x meter. They are given x meter shorter when the sun's altitude is 45 degree. Then when it has been 30 degree, then x is equal to. Clear? So here this one make it is a square of rectangle. So this 60 degree means this one also 60 degree. So OE is equal to AB equal to 60 meter. And this angle, height of the tower, AB equal to 60 meter. This angle BCA is equal to 45 degree. And angle BDA equal to 30 degree. Clear? So these are the values are given. This is the diagram. Have you understood the diagram? So next select the triangle. In right angle triangle ABC. This right angle triangle ABC, choose first. Here this one theta means this one opposite. So this one adjacent. So opposite adjacent means tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite AB by AC. So tan theta answer 45 degree is equal to AB 60 by AC. 45 table value 1. That is cross multiply. This one comes as a numerator. So 1 into AC equal to 60. Therefore AC equal to 60. Next choose triangle ABD. This triangle. The same things. This one theta, this one opposite, this one adjacent. So same ratio tan. Tan theta is equal to AB opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 degree is equal to AB answer 60 by AD. Tan 30 degree table value 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 into cross multiply means AD equal to 60. So AD is equal to 60 denominator. Come this side numerator. So 60 root 3. So but what we need is CD. So totally this AD can be written AC plus CD. So CD right as it is AD, this one from this side means minus AC. So CD is equal to AD minus AC. AD answer 60 root 3 minus AC 60. Here 60 common. So we take outside 60 root 3 minus 1. Root 3 value already we know 1.732. So 1.732 minus 1. So 1.732 minus 1 answer 0.732. 1.732 minus 1 answer 0.732. And multiply 0.732 into 60. 6 to the 12. The 0 add. Remainder 1. 6 is the 18 plus 1. 19. Remainder 1. 6 7 is 42 plus 1. 43. 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3. So 43.92 meter. So the value of x is equal to 43.92 meter. Which option? 43.92 2 meter. B option. Clear? So next we see the 13th sum. 13th sum. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of 20 meter tall building from the top of a multi-story building are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. The height of the multi-story building and the distance between two buildings in meter is. So what is the question? Here one multi-building is there, here tall building. So multi-building, from the top of multi-building to here tall buildings, top 30 degree angle of depression and bottom 60 degree angle of depression. Here both are angle of depression. Clear? So from the multi-building top to top of tall building is 30 degree, bottom is 60 degree angle of depression. Clear? And which value given? This 20 meter tall building height given. Clear? So tall building height 20 meter. So this CD is 20 meter, means the same AE also 20 meter. This is the diagram. So next write the given angle of depression means here make it one right angle triangle. So here angle of elevation is 30 degree. So XBD equal to BDE 30 degree. Next XBC, this one 60 degree is equal to BCA 60 degree. So height of the tall building CD is equal to AE equal to 20 meter. So which triangle you choose? EBD. In right angle triangle EBD, this is theta, this one opposite, this one adjacent. So tan theta is equal to opposite EB by ED. So tan theta is 30 degree is equal to EB by ED. 30 degree table value 1 by root 3 is equal to EB by ED. Cross multiply ED equal to root 3 AB. Next triangle BAC. This right angle triangle. Here also this 60 degree. This one opposite, this one adjacent. What theta? Tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite AB by AC. Tan theta is here 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to AB by this AC is equal to ED. Clear? So substitute AC plus ED. 60 degree value root 3. Cross multiply root 3 into ED is equal to AB. Clear? So ED is equal to this denominator root 3 comes inside base. Numerator root 3 comes inside denominator. So AB by root 3. ED already got it. Root 3 into EB. So this ED place substitute root 3 into EB. Here already root 3. Otherwise this root 3, this ED place EB into root 3. Again root 3 into root 3, 3 EB is equal to AB. So the total AB value is equal to 3 EB value. 3 times EB value. What we want to find is height of the multi-stored building. Here height of the multi-stored and distance between two buildings. Distance between two buildings means AC or ED. These two want to find. Now you find AB. So AB is 3 EB. So before we need EB value. Then only you find the height of the multi-stored building. So next AB can be written AE plus EB. AE plus EB. This AB value is substitute 3 EB. 3 EB plus EB comes inside minus equal to AE. 2 EB minus 3 EB minus EB means 2 EB equal to AE, that is the height of the tall building. That is equal 20. So EB equal to 20, multiply 2 comes inside divide. So EB answer 10. So this answer 10. So this total value 3 times EB, so 3 into 10. So 3 into 10 means 30. So height of the multi-story building is 30. Next one, want to find a distance between two buildings. So that is AC or ED. Already you find the answer. ED is equal to root 3 into EB. Substitute ED is equal to root 3 into EB. EB answer 10. So root 3 into 10 means 10 root 3. So first first one, see that multi-stored building and then distance between two building. So that 30 comma 10 root 3. Don't write 10 root 3 comma 30. Which one has first? Multi-stored building height. Second one, distance between two buildings. So first you write multi-stored building 30 and then 10 root 3. Clear? So which option? D option. Now 14th one. Two persons are standing x meters apart from each other and the height of the first person is double that of the other. If from the middle point of the line joining their feet an observer finds the angular elevations of their tops to be complementary, then the height of the shorter person in meter. We have to find it. Here complementary means the sum of two angles is 90 degree. Already lower class itself you studied. Clear? Here two persons are there. This one first person, this one second person. Here both persons distance is x meters. So AC distance is x meters. Both person distance is equal to x meters. AC equal to x meter. Each other, apart from each other, the height of the first person is double that of the other. So this person's height is double that of the other. Clear? So AB, this one first person AB, second person CD. Here AB is equal to 2 CD, double means 2. So 2 into CD. Next one, if from the middle point of the line joining their feet on the observer, find the angular elevation of their tops to be complementary. So here M is the middle means midpoint. Midpoint means center. So both are equal. AM is equal to MC. So AM is equal to MC. That is the middle. Clear? Midpoint means that is middle. Both values are equal. So this one AC 3x means AM equal to MC. So both are x by 2 plus x by 2 means we get x. So AM equal to MC equal to x by 2. Next this theta. From this midpoint to top of the two person angle is complementary. So suppose this one angle theta 1, this one angle theta 2 mean the two angle complementary mean add these two angle we get 90 degree. Suppose theta 1 means 90 degree minus theta 2. Clear? So that angle is we take it. DMC equal to theta 2, BMA equal to theta 1. So we don't know the values theta 1 and theta 2. So you select that DMC equal to theta 2, BMA equal to theta 1. Already the two person distance given x. So this value AM x by 2, this value MC is x by 2. Clear? Have you understand the question and the diagram and the red given also. So now you select the triangle. Which triangle you select? BAM. This triangle BAM. Which theta? Here this one opposite, this one adjacent. So tan theta is equal to AB by AM. So AB, this the distance is double that. So 2 CD by AM is equal to MC. AM is equal to MC. So that is CM, both are same. So tan theta is equal to 2 CD by MC. Next triangle, that is DMC, this triangle DCM is equal to theta, this one theta 2, this one opposite, this one adjacent. So tan theta is equal to CD, opposite by adjacent. So theta is theta 2, tan theta is equal to CD by CM. Clear? So this one equation number 1. So first equation you take, first one implies tan, this theta 1 answer is what? Here 90 minus theta 2. So tan theta 1 is 90 minus theta 2 is equal to 2 into this CD by CM answer already here calculated. Clear? So CD by CM answer is tan theta 2. So 2 into tan theta 2. Here tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Complementary angles already studied. Clear? So tan 90 minus theta 2 cot theta 2. Cot theta 2 is equal to 2 tan theta 2. Cot reciprocal 1 by tan. So 1 by tan theta 2 is equal to 2 into tan theta 2. Again, fixed here, true, right as it is. Here come means 1 by tan theta 2. Otherwise, 2 here 1. This one comes as a denominator. This one goes to numerator, means tan theta 2 into tan theta 2 whole square. Here write tan theta 2 into tan theta 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So tan theta 2 whole square equal to 1 by 2. Here whole square remove means here come 1 by root 2. Clear? So 1 by root 2. This tan theta to answer CD by CM. Clear? CD by CM equal to 1 by root 2. CD distance only we need. So CD is equal to 1 by root 2. CM goes to opposite numerator. So 1 by root 2 into CM answer x by 2. So CD is equal to 1 by root 2 into x by 2. Therefore 1 into x by 2 root 2. Which option? B option. Clear? So CD answer is x by 2 root 2. Now 15th one. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meters above a lake is beta. The angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is 45 degrees. The height of location of the cloud from the lake is, you want to find. This method question already we discussed in the exercise. In that place the value given here. This one is beta. So like that want to write. So this one beta, like B, you extend this line. So that is beta. Clear? So the same model, value given in that exercise, here not given the value. Instead of that angle, here given the beta. Clear? And here also some distance given, but here h. So you want to do the same model. Clear? So here AC is the surface of lake. So the above surface of the lake h meter. So h meter from this point to this D is cloud. C is cloud. From this point above the surface level h meter, from B point to see the cloud, angle is beta. Clear? And the reflection, this one is reflection of cloud. Reflection of cloud in that water level. That time itself we discussed it. Suppose you stand near the well, means your reflection in the sea, simply see the well. The same things, the lake, inside the lake your cloud's reflection is there. Clear? So that is E. So from the point B to see the reflection is 45 degree. Clear? So here AB is h meter, means the same thing CF also h meter. What you want to find? The height of the location, the cloud from the lake is. Cloud from the lake. So CD we want to find. Clear? Have you understand the question? Understand the diagram? So write the given. DBF. DBF, that is beta, and FBE 45 degrees. Here AC and AC equal to BF, because you make a rectangle, that's why AC equal to BF. Next is CD. So from this line, this reflection, suppose this one x means the same is also x meter. Clear? So this length reflection is in the inside the lake, and CD equal to CE. You take x means you consider x meter. Clear? Next AB. So above the surface level is h meter. So AB h means CF also h meter. Clear? Next CD can be written as CF plus FD. So FD we need means CD plus CF comes as minus CF equal to DF. Clear? So this triangle DF we need means DF, how you substitute CD minus CF. Clear? Next in triangle BFE, this triangle you select it. So this one theta, this one opposite, this one adjacent. So theta opposite and adjacent means which theta? Tan theta. So tan theta is equal to FE by BF. So tan theta is here 45 degree. 45 degree is equal to FE by BF. 45 degree table value 1. So here downside BF comes inside numerator. So 1 into BF is equal to FE. BF equal to FE. So BF value is equal to FE. Clear? Next, in triangle BFD, here which theta applies? BFD. Here beta, this one opposite, this one adjacent, this one hypotenuse. So these two we need. So which theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite DF by BF. Clear? Here theta is beta. Here beta not given the angle, instead of given theta, here beta given. So you substitute theta place beta. So tan beta is equal to DF by BF. BF is equal to what do you find? BF is equal to FE. BF is equal to FE. So substitute FE. And tan beta is equal to this BF. BF can be written CD minus EF. CD minus EF by FE. FE can be written CE plus CF. CE plus CF. CE plus CF. Clear? And tan beta is equal to CD. CF answer H. AB and CF is H. So CD minus H by EC. EC is equal to what is that? CD. So this value is equal to H meter means this is also H. So EC is equal to CD. So substitute EC plus CD plus H. And cross multiply CD plus H into tan beta is equal to CD minus H. Because we need CD. That's why we converted into remaining all the terms in terms of CD. And H also we need tan beta. So now you get it. This type of answers. Answer terms H, tan and beta terms. So here cross multiplying CD plus H into tan beta equal to CD means. Next you multiply CD into tan beta plus H into tan beta is equal to CD minus H. Next collect CD terms and H terms. So here minus H comes this side plus H. Already H tan beta in this side. So H plus H tan beta is equal to CD opposite side. This CD goes to opposite side minus CD tan beta. So H plus H tan beta is equal to CD minus CD tan beta. Here these two terms H is common. So 1 plus tan beta. Here CD is common. So CD we take outside remaining 1 minus tan beta. Clear? So what we need? CD. The height of the location of the cloud from the lake, that is CD. So you have to find CD. So CD is equal to H into 1 plus tan beta. This term, that is multiplication. So this term comes as a denominator. H into 1 plus tan beta by 1 minus tan beta is equal to CD. So the CD answer is 1 H into 1 plus tan beta by 1 minus tan beta. Which option? A option. So option A is H into 1 plus tan beta by 1 minus tan beta. Clear? Already in the exercise some workout that time itself I told this type of questions may be asked in the creative or 1 mark. Clear? So you understand the concept and workout it. Clear or not? So all the 1 marks are very important. You work out properly. So before itself you thorough all the trigonometric identities. So what we discussed in this chapter, trigonometric identities and table value and reciprocal, complementary, angles, thetas. So you thorough everything means easily you attend the first exercise. And the second and third, fourth exercise are angle of elevation and angle of depression. And next exercise combine angle of elevation and angle of depressions. So that is apply the ratio, sine ratio, cos ratio and tan ratio. So maximum sum we apply the tan ratios. So in this type of questions, first you thorough read carefully the questions and then draw a diagram. After that write the givens and then which triangle you selected and then choose the ratios. Clear? So if this is trigonometry is a very easy chapter. You thorough these things means easily you get the full marks. Clear? Thank you students.